Got the jiggle going. That's nice. Perfect. Hey, good morning, guys. Today I'm playing Bob the Builder. Not really. I'm actually just at the dump. That's why I got to put on the safety outfit. I got to dump all that stuff from yesterday. Then I got to take a trip to Home Depot. And then head to site. Today we're going to set the posts. And see what we can get done. Boom, 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 boom. I guess the advantage of having one employee, I only have to bring 2 coffees. Oh, the cost savings, incredible. Just amazing. And there's something here around the corner. There's something here around the corner. I found them!
Good morning, everyone. We have a very exciting hole to dig this morning. As you can see, we have everything.
Rob always gets the best job on site. Oh my. Yeah, of course there's a wire. There's a downspout. There's an old fence. Piece of lattice. There's a deck.
This might be right up
corner
against
of the house. Here's Rob. Oh my gosh.
There's the knuckle factory over here.
Yep. Here's your coffee.
Yeah,
No, this one here. The B. B for best friend.
Bobby, best friend.
Cheers.
Cheers.
He's coming.
Yeah, it is. Probably just pull it down.
Okay. Surprised.
Yeah.
Show him, Rob. Show the people. Yeah!
Mine now.
All right, all the holes are dug. All the posts are in. I'll mix some concrete now and we'll set these posts. And then we're off to Home Depot. We'll get all the lumber for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll bang off the fence. We also got this all out today. Nice and square to the string line. Level that way. And wouldn't you know it, dead level this way.
Do me.
That post is set. Oh, I'm not even getting a reading. Straight out, Rob. Hold on, no, it's this one we have to check.
Oh, God.
Remember?
Yeah.
Actually, Rob, you're pretty level.
I've been practicing. I've been practicing on the subway every day.
Tight squeeze, as always.
Panama Canal through here. We got the tugboats.
We did our trip to Home Depot. Got all the fence boards and all the 2x6s all set up for tomorrow. All done for today.
All done.
See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's Friday, 7 a.m. I've just got the site. We're here nice and early today. I'm trying to beat the rain. There's some rain coming this morning, so we want to get this fence all wrapped up today. Got on the highway nice and early, so drive wasn't too bad. All right, guys, let's have a good day. Well, the rain didn't hold off too long. It started raining, I guess, about 5 minutes into us working. But we can get pretty creative here at Dynamic.
I mean, it works.
Rob's all set up. He's got coverage.
I'm sheltered. I'm a sheltered
Gonna
individual.
put that back together. We'll get this all cleaned up. I got an umbrella set up in the backyard. We'll set the saw up under there. It'll work out.
Don't worry, guys.
We'll make it work. We'll still get wet, but we'll make it work. It's raining. It's raining.
Hallelujah. It's raining on men.
Check out the setup. You guys don't even know about this setup. It's called an umbrella.
We got portable umbrellas, umbrellas under umbrellas.
If I gotta send Rob out for something, he's got the portable umbrella. There he goes.
You got the,
We got all the wood there.
you got your two-hand heated umbrella.
We're gonna make this happen, guys. We're gonna make it happen. Won't stop, won't quit. Got rain on and off. If you're gonna take a breather, bring a gun with you.
Oh no, I'm just throwing my phone out of my pocket.
You can take a breather if it starts to come down heavier. You don't want to get too wet.
I don't.
Here's, we call it under umbrella landscaping today. Everything's under umbrellas.
We're under cover.
Here's the fence. I didn't get any footage of us building it because we were flying and I was exhausted. But it turned out really nice. All right, guys, we're all done. Fence was completed.
It's done.
We're ready for the weekend now. We're both exhausted.
Yeah, a long week.
It's been a long week. All right, thanks, Rob. See you next week.
See you next week, everyone.